Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and woo! So we're gonna go ahead and unbox a brand new unlocked Galaxy Fold in black. So Latrell, why are you unboxing the Galaxy Fold again, and why did you get black? Even though you always talk about I don't like black, I'm team any other color but black. The reason I got black is the reason I'll explain in a minute, but this black ain't staying. Now the reason I'm doing this unboxing again is because I had the AT&T Silver Galaxy Fold. I never had this unlocked one in black. I want to go and check out what's different in here, and I know it's going to be some good quarantine content, so y'all, let's get into it. Alright y'all, so are you ready for this? Cause woo, I know I am. So let me go ahead and clear up a couple things real quick. So Latrell, why did you get the black even though you always ran about, oh, black is boring, I hate black, blah blah blah, MKBHD sucks? Okay, I never said that, but the reason I got black is because basically here's what's going on, okay? Now, when I had an issue with that Galaxy Fold screen, that Galaxy Fold was a refurbished Fold. And the reason why it wasn't brand new is because Samsung didn't have any new ones in stock, so they had to send me a refurbished one. So basically, here's what's going on. So I asked them if they can go ahead and give me a new unlocked one, and they actually agreed. So this is what we got right here for now. So shout out to my guy at Samsung, but basically he said that he can go ahead and give me this black brand new unlocked Galaxy Fold if I wanted to, and then when the silver unlocked one becomes in stock brand new, I can get that. So basically, when a brand new silver one unlocked comes in stock, I can go ahead and exchange this for the silver one. I mean, that's a really good deal. Just think about it, because I get the free Galaxy Buds, I get the free case and all that. So okay, we going crazy today. And you can see right there, if you're new to the channel, that I had the silver one. But let's go and unbox this thing, y'all. And I want to go ahead and point out one more thing. So my Z Flip is gone today. That's because I mailed that out today, and they're actually going to go ahead and exchange that for an unlocked Z Flip too in the same color. Because I had the AT&T model, and they actually let me exchange this for the unlocked one too. So I just sent it out, and it should be back by hopefully Friday. But you know, with this whole pandemic and everything, we'll see about that. So the Z Flip should be back in Friday with my unlocked one, and then we'll go ahead and unbox that too and see if anything's different with the unboxing, because I heard there is. Apparently on the box you got like a Samsung logo like directly like you know, in the shipping box, so that's gonna sound cool. I don't know if anything else is different besides that, but that's gonna be dope. So yeah, we're gonna be going ahead and unboxing my brand new unlocked black Galaxy Fold and then the Z Flip later. Alright, so let's look at the boxes real quick, because we got the silver one and we got the black one, and obviously they're different. And you still got that same gradient look to it. It's way more of a gradient look on here. I way prefer this over the black one. But you still kind of got that gradient look. And I got all these boxes right here because I'm going to just go and show y'all that it's pretty much the same thing. So not really for the S10 Plus, but like the Tab S6, you got that gradient look. Let me get the S10 5G, same thing. And then even with the Z Flip, you can like kind of see the gradient look on it. But besides that, on the left side, we have Samsung Galaxy Fold. On the right side, we don't got nothing. At the bottom, we just got my info. And at the top, we don't got nothing. But let me go back down here. So you can see it says right there, SM-F900U1. So you can go ahead and Google that. But basically what that means is this is the unlocked model. So let's go ahead and do this thing, man. I've been missing my baby so much. Like, I love this Galaxy Fold. Like, nothing can replace it for me, okay? I'm just saying. Like, nothing can beat that dual phone / tablet experience until the Galaxy Fold 2 come out. And yeah, I saw the leaks and everything. That looked like it's going to be a dope phone. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't look like it's going to come with an S Pen. But let's go and cut the tape on here. Let's go and be careful with it, because I want to go ahead and keep this box in mint condition. Maybe I'll even sell the box. I don't know. But I feel like the boxes have to be expensive, right? Alright, so let's go and get this out the box here. And there we go. So we got Galaxy Fold again. Let's go and get it out of here, and the Galaxy Fold is going to be in here. So let's go ahead and do this. Oh man, I missed you so much. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh man, we're back to normal, baby. But that's what the black looks like. So let's go ahead and look at the care instructions. Psych, we ain't reading that. You can go ahead and pause and read it for yourself if you want, but I ain't reading that. So let's go ahead and take this off real quick, because I want to get to the phone first. So here we go. Oh man. Oh yeah, wow, that is like a mirror, man. Look at that black. It's literally like a mirror on the back. That's nice. And then we have our Galaxy Fold right here. Oh yeah, this is what I've been waiting for. So you can see we still got that crease there and everything, and we still got the caps here at the top and the bottom. So nothing changed there, and we don't got any rubber feet here at the bottom like I thought we was gonna have. But I'm kind of surprised, so don't got any rubber stoppers on here. So basically on the newer Galaxy Fold models, like the ones they're producing right right now. And on the Galaxy Z Flip, but basically they have these rubber stoppers at the top and the bottom on the left side. And I guess that's just to prevent the bezel from scratching or something. So we don't got that on here, interestingly. But yeah, so we got this screen right here. We have the cameras here at the top. On the right side, we have our power button with our 2 volume rockers and our fingerprint scanner. So this is a separate fingerprint scanner. We got our antenna band, and at the back we have our 3 cameras, our flash, and then we got this like mirror-y type of back here. Like you can see my S10 Plus and me and everything, like what's up. And then in the front we have the earpiece, we have the camera, we have that tiny little display, which I got used to, I'm not gonna lie. And Samsung, thank you. We don't have any type of sticker to peel off the back here. Oh my god, I've been hating it. But thank you, it's nothing on here anymore, so we don't gotta peel that off. And let's look at the top real quick. So at the top we got our speaker, and then we got our microphone with our antenna bands again. And at the bottom we got another speaker here, which makes it stereo speakers. We got another microphone, and then we got our USB-C port. But alright, so let's go and look at the rest of the box real quick. I just want to get to the phone real quick. And let's actually go ahead and turn this thing on while we're unboxing this thing. So there we go. We got Samsung Galaxy Fold powered by Android. And one cool thing about this is that the Android 10 and One UI 2.1 update just dropped for it. So I can go ahead and update this thing, and it should have a new update. But it says unfold the future, meet your Galaxy Fold, blah blah blah. We've seen this already. We have a Galaxy Fold Premier service with our Fold Concierge, 1-year screen replacement offer. And then we got all that stuff right there. So right now during the pandemic, the whole coronavirus thing, they can't come to your house if you have a question or anything about your Galaxy Fold. Obviously they're practicing the whole social distancing thing and all that, but besides that, oh yeah, and another thing is it's not 24 hours right now. So it's some limited hours right now. I don't really remember how many hours, but I just know that it's not 24 hours right now. But we got this Samsung box right here with our case that tells us, and then we got the user manual. But let me go and look more in the box real quick. So we got our charger here. So we got our fast charger. This is going to be our 15 watt. This isn't going to be like a 25 watt or anything. We got a USB-C to USB-A. And then we even get some black Galaxy Buds. So last time I got the white ones, and this time it's the black Galaxy Buds. So not the Buds Plus or anything, but we got the Buds here because that was out at the time of the Galaxy Fold release. But yeah, so that's what it's gonna look like right there. Now listen to this. This is something cool that the guy told me. So basically what he said was, go ahead and accept these Galaxy Buds as a token of our apology for all the inconvenience that you've been through. He actually told me this, right? So what he said was, well, now that you have these black Galaxy Buds, you can go ahead and use the black and the white ones to go ahead and match up with your outfit. So just that alone just gives me A+ customer service because he know all about the flex life. So shout out to that dude. I remember his name, but I don't know if I really want to say his name. But you're the man, okay? And then it says soundbite AKG, but let's go and put that back. And in here we should have our charger and everything, so yep, it's looking like it. So we got our charger in there, and then we got some extra ear tips in here. You can already see that we got our carbon fiber case right there with our SIM card ejector, and then our usual books, which nobody care about. I don't want to throw this whole thing to the side though, like I usually do. I know I'm getting so boring, like I ain't did that in a minute now. But I'm not really too worried about that case because we actually got a leather case for this thing, so that should look good with this. We got that official Samsung leather case that I unboxed a while ago. If you watch this channel, you probably already know. But yeah, so let's go and get into this Galaxy Fold, man. So let's go and fold this thing, man. You know we got to do it. Wow, that feels way nicer than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, yeah, that's really nice right there. And yeah, we can see that we got the hinge right there. But yeah, we got the hinge color right there. It's looking nice, and the hinge felt really good when I closed it. So let's go and open it, and there we go. But now let's go and set this thing up, and I'll get back to y'all. We're all set. All right, we're good. So start small, go big. We already know about all that. Let's go to the next screen here, and then it's gonna just tell us the same exact thing that we saw right here. So basically, don't be stupid with your $2,000 phone, but let's go ahead and get into this real quick. And there we go. So that's our background too. Background's gonna be a little bit different from the silver one. But yeah, so here's our Galaxy Fold. That's the apps we got on there. So we got Samsung Global Goals, we got Samsung Pay, we get all the usual stuff. We can go ahead and uninstall a lot of it, but I'm gonna just go ahead and uninstall this. But yeah, man, so that was the Galaxy Fold. So now let me go and get a T-Mobile SIM in here, and then let me go ahead and throw on that leather case. But one more thing before I go ahead and do that, I just wanted to go ahead and show you what it looks like compared to my S20 Ultra. So we already got the S20 Ultra in gray, and then like I said, we already got the Cosmos Black black for the Galaxy Fold. And that's how they look side by side, so they actually look pretty good side by side. But alright, let me go and do this real quick. Alright, so this is how we're looking here with our black Galaxy Fold and our Samsung official leather case for it. So, looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, like I can't even front to y'all, like I'm starting to grow onto this. But I did go ahead and put my T-Mobile SIM in this thing too, and you can see right there, so tell me to restart it, so I'm gonna go and do that then. And then I'll go ahead and wait for that. And there we go, so we're all booted up again. So you can see right there it's searching and it should pop up in a minute, so there we go, we got T-Mobile. And then you can see right there, I had the LTE right there. So let's go and unlock this real quick. And yeah, y'all, so that's pretty much all I got for y'all today for the Galaxy Fold. So let me actually go ahead and check one more thing, and that's the update. All right, so check it for updates here. Let's go ahead and see. And oh my god, we actually got it. So yeah, we do got the One UI 2.1 update, so man, that's dope. So literally while my fold was gone, that's when we got the update. But I'm gonna go and pause that real quick, so I'll go ahead and check that out in another video. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But yeah, this case is actually looking pretty nice with this black Galaxy Fold. Not gonna lie, it actually looks way better than I thought it was gonna look. Now, I mean, it's still not gonna replace my silver, but at the same time, it still looked pretty classy, man. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and peace out. Alright, y'all, so it's only been a few minutes later, but I forgot how good it felt to use a bigger screen like this again. Like, man, that's nice. Now, one thing I want to go and cover real quick is, let's go to About Phone real quick. And yeah, so we do got IMEI and IMEI eSIM. Now here's the problem. So basically with the IMEI eSIM, it's not enabled right now here in North America. At least in the United States, we don't got the IMEI eSIM enabled, so I can't even use that yet. Now hopefully in the One UI 2 update, I can go ahead and use it, but right now I can't. So I'll go ahead and update y'all when I get the One UI 2 update in, we'll see. But one interesting thing I just seen is that we got edge lighting on this thing now. So let me show you real quick. So let me go ahead and pull this up here, and you can see, yeah, like we got the whole edge lighting thing they're all used to. Now we don't got all the effects right here, but I can go ahead and go to like the duration. I can make that longer, the transparency and everything. It's not gonna go around the edges of the screen, but still it's pretty cool. Now let's go and see what it looks like closed. So let's go ahead and check this out. It looks like the same exact thing, so yeah. But one interesting thing I just found in this update is that we got Chrome scrolling enhancement. So I don't really know what that is, but it's new in this update because I never saw it before. Alright y'all, peace out.